sole proprietorship is most suitable for, of course, small scale, large scale, medium scale, people who want to share profit. Of course not. Sole proprietor means one person. He is the person, he has got the responsibility of doing all the work, and also he is the person who gets all the profit. So the correct answer should be small scale organization. That means those organizations which are related with little bit of limited resources, limited amount of profit, and that is more suitable for the sole proprietorship generally. Moving on, matrix organization refers to organization where authority and responsibility coexist, organization in which two or more basic types of departmentalization are combined, organizations where events are mathematically arranged in the columns and rows. So the correct answer should be option number B, that is organization in which two or more basic type of departmentalization are combined. So there are generally it is observed that there are two types of basic departments, okay, and they are combined, they are interrelated with each other. They operate in such a manner that they're interrelated with each other. So organization in which two or more basic types of departmentization are combined. Organization theory deals with industrial relations, incentives and wages policy, structure of an organization, forms of business organization. Forms of business organization, obviously not. Structure of an organization, it does not deal, incentive and wages policy, it does not deal with organization theory. Industrial relation also, we are not talking about the organization theory. So when we're talking about organization study, we're talking about the organization structure. So there are so many types of organization structure. There can be formal organization structure, informal organization structure, matrix organization structure, departmentalization organization structure, and all these structure of an organization, they are generally involved in the organization theory. So the correct answer is structure of an organization. The Sale of Goods Act was enacted on 15 February 1930, 15 March 1930, 15 April 1930, 15 January 1930. This is again a very direct question, which is straight away asking about the date. We remember 1930, but we don't remember the date. So the correct answer should be 15th March 1930. Sale of Goods Act was enacted on 15th of March 1930. Now, correct answer is 15th March 1930. Section 28 to 44D of the Income Tax Act 1961 is related to income from house property, income from salary, income from capital gain, and profit and gains from business and profession. Now, again, this is a straightaway question talking about the different section. This is related with the profit and gains from business and profession, and not income from house property, salary, or income gain, capital gain. If an asset is put to use for less than 180 days in the previous year, the depreciation is going to be charged at which rate as per the Income Tax Act? 30%, 50%, 25%, and nil. Again, a direct question. The correct answer is 50%. If a particular asset is in use for less than 180 days in the previous year, remember previous year and assessment year are two different concepts which we have understood. Depreciation is going to be charged at the rate of 50% as per the Income Tax Act. Calculate the gross annual value from the following details. The municipal value is given as 45,000, fair rental value is 50,000, standard rental value is 48,000, actual rental value is 42,000. Now, when we are talking about the gross annual value, we have to first calculate the from the municipal value, we have to subtract the fair rental value. We will get, then we have to compare the fair rental value and the standard rental value, and then we're going to get the gross annual value as rupees 48,000, whichever is lower is going to be the correct answer. In this case, the standard rental value is going to be lower. That means rupees 48,000 is going to be the gross annual value as compared to the fair rental value. Next, moving on, next question, which is again a match the following question. Here, there are different heads of income given and the part of the head is given. Okay, so house property, salary, profits and gains from business organization, and capital gain. Okay. Now, when we're talking about the house property, of course, we are talking about the annual value. When we're talking about salary, we're talking about income from filing of returns. This should be the correct order. So, A should generally match with 3, that is the annual value. House property should be the annual value. B should match with a salary, that is the car facility. Okay. C is 4, that is profit from gains and business of our business and profession. Income, when we're talking about profession, income from filing of returns, that is C is 4, and capital gain, that is sale of bond, where selling bonds, we're getting the capital, the gain that we achieve is the capital gain. So the correct answer is A3, B2, C4, and D1. This is the correct answer. That is A3, B2, C4, and D1. That's all in this particular lecture. We're going to discuss more questions in the next lecture. Thank you.